morning kids. Welcome back to the session. In today's session, we are going to do quick recap of helpers. Then we will do a small activity. Teacher helps us in reading and writing at school. Mechanic repairs the vehicles. Chef cooks healthy and delicious food. Carpenter makes and repairs wooden furniture. Greengrocer sells fruits and vegetables. Okay kids, now we are going to start our activity. For this activity, we are going to need some flashcards of helpers and some objects related to them. Here we are having flashcard of doctor, greengrocer, teacher and chef. And in the objects we are having utensils, vegetable, fruit, marker and chalk and injection and thermometer. Now what we are going to do? We are going to match these objects with the flashcard. Here we are having some vegetable and fruit, tomato, potato and orange. So where we are going to place this? We are going to place this near greengrocer. Marker and chalk. Who uses marker and chalk? Teacher. So we are going to put this near teacher. Frying pan and spoon. Who uses frying pan and spoon? Chef. So we are going to put this near chef. Injection and thermometer. Everyone knows who uses injection and thermometer? Doctor. So we are going to put this near doctor. Kids, here is the solution of the worksheet which I gave you in last session for homework. In this worksheet, I have matched the helpers to the correct tools, like policeman to handcuff, fireman to fire extinguisher, postman to postcards, nurse to medical equipments, barber to comb and scissor, mechanic to mechanical tools. Now we are going to meet in our next session with a different subject and a different topic. Till that, take care.